Hi, my name is Julia Davila, and I am the Associate Project Manager for Drive Electric Colorado, and I will be explaining the Volunteer EV Coaches Program. So here's a quick agenda for this presentation. First, we'll cover what is Drive Electric Colorado, what are EV coaches, and learn about your role and what EV coaches will be doing. Learn about EV coach opportunities and benefits, like the events you'll be participating in and kind of the answers that you'll be giving to consumers. We'll cover some main talking points and frequently asked questions that you should be expected to know about. And then I will give my information and email at the end if you have any questions. All right, so what is Drive Electric Colorado? Drive Electric Colorado is a statewide initiative, which is part of Drive Electric USA. And Drive Electric USA is a Department of Energy funded project that goes across 14 states, and it engages individuals, utilities, legislators, and others towards removing adoption barriers and accelerating electric vehicle adoption throughout the United States. So Drive Electric Colorado, as part of this, is a state-based initiative, and it's mainly a consumer resource that provides information about electric vehicles across Colorado. Drive Electric Colorado also has a goal to reach 940,000 electric vehicles on the road by or before 2030. And this is led by Denver Metro Clean Cities Coalition in collaboration with the Colorado Energy Office and recharge coaches from across the state. So what are EV coaches? EV coaches are personalized resources and a concierge service for consumers to get information about electric vehicles. EV coaches will be providing answers and support for questions related to specific EV models, range anxiety, charging, tax credits, driving experience, and more. And it'll be based on your own experience and expertise with electric vehicles. EV coaches are similar to recharge coaches, which are region-specific individuals providing personalized one-on-one coaching to consumers seeking information. Drive Electric Colorado is already providing services from recharge coaches. So volunteer EV coaches will be expanding this existing coaching program to provide additional support to consumers as we continue to grow and more consumers become interested in electric vehicles. And having volunteer EV coaches will really help Drive Electric Colorado grow and will provide us the ability to reach different parts of the state, which is really essential to accelerate EV adoption. Here are some EV coach opportunities and expectations. So EV coaches will be expected to help out and support in some Drive Electric Colorado events, such as educational events, consumer workshops, ride and drive events, social media outreach, stuff like that. In addition, the main part that EV coaches will be working on is the coaching part of it. So answering consumer questions, serving as a go-to resource for prospective EV owners and the EV curious, and you'll be answering some of those questions that consumers have, and we'll be going over the main talking points as well. You'll also be on the cutting edge of EV adoption in Colorado. So as a coach, you're directly helping get people into EVs, which is a huge deal, and helping us reach our goal to get 940,000 EVs on the road by 2030. In addition, if you have any other ideas for how you can share your knowledge and expertise, please let us know and we'd be happy to talk with you about those. Now, here are some main talking points that we would expect EV coaches to know about. As you can see on the screen here, we only have 4 main talking points, but there are more that we will be covering. So the 4 main talking points are EVs are fun and safe to drive, EVs are earth-friendly, EVs save you money, EVs are easy to charge, and they are available now. So in addition to that, consumers may be asking more specific questions about a specific kind of model, maybe charging or rebates in their specific area, things like that. So this is why it's really important to have volunteers across the state and with a variety of different electric vehicle models so that we can make sure that we meet these consumers' needs. As a volunteer EV coach, we do want to provide you some benefits. So we will be making a private Facebook group, which will be a coaches only group to get support from others about topics. You can hand off questions if there's someone else that's better suited to answer something. And we want you to share successes of if you answer a consumer question and they tell you that they are now in the process of buying an EV, we would love to know that. In addition, we'll be offering some promotional coaching items, which will be things like stickers, shirts, or other items to identify you more as an EV expert on the go. This way, if a consumer sees you in a parking lot and you have a sticker on your car, for example, then they know that they can ask you any questions about your car, about charging, and anything like that. In addition, we'll be offering some coaching meetup events where you'll be able to meet with other coaches and network at gatherings like picnics and EV meetups. This will be a great way just to meet other people across the state and also learn about other people's EV models as well. Here are some expectations and agreements. So from Drive Electric Colorado, you can expect an in-depth, comprehensive, and timely ongoing EV coach training session. So if you do not feel comfortable answering some of the main talking points that we covered earlier, don't worry about that. We will be going over those in the training sessions and we'll be answering any of your questions that you have about those topics. We'll also be providing a database for previously answered questions. So this will serve as a resource for you to check before you have any questions about whatever the consumer is asking you. This way you can ask other EV coaches for assistance and refer to the database before asking our team. But of course, the support from the Drive Electric Colorado team is something that you can expect from all of us. You guys will be a huge help to us. So of course, we want to be providing as much support as we can to you. And then expectations from EV coaches. We expect that you have a passion for educating others about EVs, an interest in the Drive Electric Colorado mission, and active participation. And if you're interested, please let us know and we'll sign you up for the initial training session. Here's the Google form that you can fill out if you're interested. This will also be in the email that you were sent with this presentation, so make sure you fill that out. And once again, my name is Julia Davila, and you can email me at julia@denvermetrocleancities.org with any questions you have about the EV Volunteer Coach Program. If you have any additional questions, you can also just go to the Contact Us page on the Drive Electric Colorado website. Feel free to look around the Drive Electric Colorado website and just see what pages we have there, what resources we offer, just to make yourself familiar with ourselves as a resource. And make sure to email me if you have any questions. Thank you.